Welcome to Simply Fleet's Parts Inventory module. This feature lets admins, managers, and technicians easily manage parts. Let's explore how parts are managed on the phone. Let's see how you can add a part and manage batches using the Simply Fleet mobile app. On the parts screen, you'll notice a barcode scanner icon. Simply scan the barcode, and the UPC barcode field will be automatically updated. Now, enter the part name and any additional details for this part. Then click Save. The barcode is now linked to the part for future tracking. Next, let's add a batch for this part. Enter the required details, such as the purchase date, quantity, vendor, and other relevant information. Once everything is filled out, click Save to complete the process. If you need to add a new batch for the same part, simply scan the barcode again. The app will automatically open the Add Batch screen for that part, allowing you to enter details for the new batch. Barcode scanning makes inventory management faster and more efficient. Let's learn how to use parts on the app. Now, let's see how to consume parts in a work order. Start by opening an existing work order and scrolling to the Service Task section. The technician can scan the part's barcode directly within the work order. Once scanned, the system will display all available batches for that part. Select the batch you want to use and enter the quantity of the part being consumed for this service task. Once you've entered the details, save the work order. The system will automatically deduct the consumed quantity from the selected batch, keeping your inventory updated in real time. And that's how you use parts inventory in Simply Fleet. Try it out